Need to move those precious photos and videos from your Samsung phone to your computer. Let's get it done easily with a USB cable. First, unlock your Samsung phone completely. This is important for your computer to recognize and access the files stored on it. Now, grab your USB cable. One end plugs into the charging port of your Samsung phone, and the other end plugs into a USB port on your PC or laptop. You should see a notification pop up on your phone. On your phone screen, you'll see a notification related to the USB connection. Tap on this notification. From the options that appear, select File Transfer or Transfer Photos and Videos. This allows your computer to see your phone's storage. Now, head over to your computer. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac. Your Samsung phone should appear as a connected device. Look for your Samsung phone under this PC or devices and drives. It might be labeled with its model name. Double-click on your Samsung phone's icon to open its storage. You'll typically see the storage options: internal shared storage and sometimes an SD card. If you have one inserted, your photos and videos are usually in the internal shared storage. Inside the internal storage, navigate to the folder named DCIM. This is where your camera photos and videos are automatically saved. Within DCIM, you'll usually find a camera folder, which contains all the pictures and videos you've taken. Now, you can select the photos and videos you want to transfer. You can click and drag to select multiple files, or hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or Command key on Mac while clicking to select individual items. Once you've selected your files, right-click on them and choose Copy from the context menu. Next, navigate to the folder on your computer where you want to save these files. This could be your Pictures folder, your Videos folder, or any other location you prefer. Right-click inside that destination folder and select Paste. Your phone's media will now start transferring to your computer. You'll see a progress bar indicating how the transfer is going. Once it's complete, you've successfully backed up your Samsung phone's photos and videos.